Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook name easily. So let's start. First open the Facebook app. Now tap on three bars on top right corner. Scroll down. Tap on Settings and Privacy and go to Settings. Now tap on Personal Information. Now tap on your name. Here you will see your first name, middle name and last name. Change the name as you like. But remember, when you tap on Review Change, Facebook will review your request. And when approved, you will not be able to change your name for the next 60 days. And that's how you can change your name on Facebook very easily. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.